Let's look at these examples as well. Okay. Number one, find the y ds of the following. So we are going to find 1a y is equal to 2 over x plus 1 over square root of x. So our y is 2 over x plus 1 over square root of x. So to make it simple for us to solve, we take the x here at denominator, we make it as a numerator. So here we come, y will be equal to 2 exponent x exponent negative 1, positive 1, so negative 1, plus here is 1 over square root of s. Square root of a value is the same as the exponent of 1 over 2. Alright, so this can be written as x exponent minus 1 over 2. Here is 1, so 1 times x is x, exponent negative 1 over 2. Okay, so my dy on my x becomes negative 1 multiplied by 2 to give me negative 2. Then x, I will subtract 1 from it to be negative 2. Alright, okay. Then I'll have minus, because negative 1 over 2 will multiply here to be minus 1 over 2. Then x exponent minus 1 over 2 minus 1. Alright, so minus 1 over 2 minus 1, and that will give you minus 3 on 2. Minus 3 on 2. Alright, so this is what I have. Okay, so I can write this as so let me bring the variable as a denominator finally. So I can write as what? My dy over my ds can be equal to minus 2 over s square then minus 1 over 2 x exponent what? 3 on 2. 3 on 2. So this is what we have. Okay, so this will come here to multiply the denominator to be positive. If you also like, if you want to put your answer in the root form, then you can also write as minus 2 on s square, okay, minus 1 over 2. So here we can write as well square root of x exponent what? X exponent 3. Square root of x exponent 3. So x exponent 3 on 2 is the same as square root of x exponent 3. Alright. Have a fractional exponent. The root is what? The denominator, and then the 3 is the exponent. So this is our answer. This is our answer when we differentiate this. Okay. Now let's go to the b. The b is y is equal to 3x minus 3 over 2 cube root of s squared. Okay, so we will try here. So we can write y is equal to 3x minus, we are going to take the x, okay, to be a numerator. So we have minus 3. Let's look at the x. It is what? Cube root of x squared. Okay, and cube root is 1 over 3, and to multiply the square, so they become 2 on 3. So this will become what? 2 on 3. So when it goes, it become x exponent negative 2 on 3, all divided by 2. Okay, so just leave the constant now here and take the variable up. Alright, so this is what we are going to get. Okay, so now we can differentiate. Is that also? So my dy over my dx will be equal to this become 3, then negative 2 over 3 is going to multiply the negative 3 over 2. Alright, so this is going to happen. Negative 2 and 3 will multiply the coefficient, okay, of the x here, which is negative 3 on 2. Then what will happen? This will cancel this, this will cancel this. Alright, and negative will give me a positive, so we are going to get 1. So it will be plus, or it's plus x. Okay, then we subtract 1 from here, so minus 2 on 3 minus 1, that will give us minus 5 on 3. So minus 5 on 3. So this is what we are going to have. So negative 2 and 3 times 3, negative 3 on 2. Okay, will give us 1. Is that okay? Positive, negative, negative. Then we have 1 by x is x. Then we subtract 1 from 2, minus 5 on 3. So finally we can write as 3 plus 1 over x exponent 5 on 3 5 on 3, which can be the same as 3 plus 1 over cube root of x exponent 5. So our answer can also be like this. Our answer can also be like this. I believe you get it. All right. We are going to solve the last 3. Number 2. Given that y is equal to what? 1 over 3 s cube plus 2 whole number 1 over 2 s square plus 6x plus 5. Okay, so this is what we are given. We are supposed to what? Find the values of x when dy dx is equal to 0. So let's find the dy dx. Then after that, we equate the dy dx to 0, and then we find the values of what? The values of x. Okay. And before that, there is a small work to be done. So we have to write y is equal to 1 over 3 s cube plus 2 whole number 1 over 2, 2 times 2, 4 plus 1. So that will be 5 over 2 s squared plus 6s plus 5. Okay, now it is set, and we can find our dy on the x. So what to be our dy on the x? 3 is going to multiply 1 over 3 to make it what? 1. Then I'll subtract 1 from it, so this will be s squared. Okay. Then 2 multiplied by 5 on 2. So 2 cancel 2 remaining what? Remaining 5. Then I'll subtract 1 from here to be 5x. Then plus 6. So we have s squared plus 5s plus 6. Okay, and it's saying that we should find the values of s when dy dx is equal to 0. And take note the constant with 0. So it means that s squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So let's factorize and find the values of x. Now the coefficient of the s squared here is 1 times 6, which will give us 6. So the 2 factors of 6, when you add, you get 5. That is 3 and 2. 3 to 6, 3 plus 2 will give me what? Give me 5. So this can be s plus 3, then s plus 2 equal to 0. So the values of s, either s plus 3 is 0, which is s equal to negative 3, or s plus 2 is equal to 0, which is s equal to what? Negative 2. So the values of s is negative 3 and what? And negative 2. Number 3, find the derivative of y is equal to at with respect to s at the point s equal to 2. So what we are going to do is to differentiate this. After that, we substitute the value of what? The value of 2. Okay. Number 3, y is equal to 3s squared 2s plus 1. And let's expand. 3s squared times 2x will give us what? 3 to 6, 6x cube. 2 plus 1 plus 3s squared times 1, that is 3s squared. So my dy on the x will be equal to 3 times, so it will give me 18 minus 1 s squared plus 2, 3, 6 minus 1, 1. So 18 s squared plus 6x. And it says with respect at a point s equal to 2. So at point s equal to 2, it implies that you substitute the value of 2. So 2 squared plus 6 times what? Times 2. So 2 squared is 4, and then 18 times 4 will give us 72 plus 6 to 12. So 72 plus 12 will give us 84. Okay, so the derivative of this respect to s at point s equal to 2 is what? Is 84. Is 84. All right. Then let's do the last one. then we close. Number 4, we said what? A function is defined by f of x equal to s squared plus bx plus q. Alright, such that f of 3 is equal to 6 and f prime of 3 is equal to 0. Find the value of q. So first of all, f of 3 is what? Is 6. Okay, it means that when I substitute 3 into the function, it will give me what? 6. So let me find that. So if f of 3 is 6, then it means that, it implies that 3 squared, I'll put 3 here, plus p times 3 plus q will give me 6. 3 squared is 9 plus 3p plus q is equal to 6. So I have 3p plus q to be equal to what? 6 minus 9 will give me negative 3. Let me put this one as equation 1. Okay, so 6, I'll bring the 9 here to be minus 9 would be negative 3. Okay, so you substitute the 3 here and then you go on. Then the next one says what? So this is my equation 1. F prime of 3 is 0. So f prime of 3 is the differentiation of f of x. Okay, so we can say that if f prime of 3 is equal to 0, then what to be our f prime of 3? Our f prime, okay, in the first place will be equal to what? This will give me 2x. Alright. Then this is also a p x, so we will have p. Okay, so 1 times p, and then this will be 1, so we have plus p, and then this is a constant, so it will be 0. It implies that we said this is equal to 0, so 2 times, we substitute 3 here, 3 plus p will give me 0. 2, 3, 6, 6 plus p is equal to 0. So my p is going to be what? Negative 6. So my p is negative 6. I've been asked to find the value of q. So I substitute q into equation 1. Imply that from equation 1, okay, 3 times p, what is p? Negative 6 plus q is equal to negative 3. Then it implies that 3 times negative 6 give me negative 18. Alright. Plus q is equal to negative 3. Then q will be equal to what? Negative 3 plus 18. And negative 3 plus 18 give me 15. So my q is 15. So this is how you can solve this particular question. Okay. I think it's simple and it's not difficult. I'll see you again. Bye bye.